What's up, What's up, everyone? I'm Slade.
I'm Landon.
This is Nova Studios, and today we are doing an admin house video.
Yes, and
I feel like I'm gonna get L's in the chat for me messing up the intro.
Right now I'm just trying to get into the game. Okay, my Roblox is working, finally.
Okay. This is my giant lightsaber.
Do you have a giant lightsaber?
Yep, I do.
No, I'm scared for my life. Please don't just kill me right away. That will make me very scared.
Me.
Oh
10.
my...
I still can.
Slade, I'm sorry. I had to do it.
Do what?
Did you see what happened to you?
Size.
Where are you?
Do you not see the giant me?
You sized all of us. Can you stop sizing me? What'd you do?
Yes.
I won't be messing with me, bruh. Do you see what I have? Where are you invisible?
Size me 5. You seriously not see me?
You don't see me. Someone's blow drying us. 1 second. Ah! Hey, I'm trying to laser this guy. Let me laser you. He can't fling you off the map.
I'm
Okay.
coming for you with my what's happened to my Hulk hand? This guy is annoying.
You nub.
Wait. Speed me 25.
Where are you? I don't even see you.
I see you.
No, you don't. Flashy.
Where is he? Where is this noob? I'm
Not
size
noob.
2. Size me 1.
You can size me all you want, but you will never find me. I, however, do not see you. Can you reset, please?
Yeah. I know how you can fix this, but I'm not gonna tell you.
I'm resetting.
Dang it! As soon as I get close to him, he...
Can you reset? Because I still don't see you.
Everyone sees me. What the?
Have we died?
Speed me. Where is this guy?
You'll never find me. Okay, you'll never find me.
Right here though! Okay. No invisible. Deal?
But you're invisible!
No! Okay. The way to fix it is leave and join back.
I see everybody but you!
Yeah, I know.
Is that a glitch? While I'm doing
This
this,
guy does not know how to
I
do
do
commands.
something.
And everyone can see me too, by the way.
Well, not me. I got something super cool in this game that you haven't even seen.
This person's guy.
What are you? Slade?
What?
Slade?
I just got someone's pan.
You
Hello.
won't pay for this? Come on, how did my laser work? That's what I got. It's a Game Pass.
Hey, it's a Game Pass?
That's why I like it so much more. Blow dry,
This
yes!
Come here. No more invisible ink.
I'm invisible. I
What? Yeah.
Oh, you're being. Nope. I'm out here. Blow drive away.
I'm gonna get this guy. I want you. Yes, I got him. Hey, Landon, come here.
Nope.
Come here.
No.
Come here. Come here. Let's get
As long as I can stand my distance, you're done for. No. What?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
What just happened? You are being so mean.
Size. Oh.
No, no, no.
Yes. It's so easy to find everyone now. Size.
Yeah, but you're easier to hit.
Oh. Yes.
Oh, you jerk. Oh, nice try.
From Cop Dolphin Abuse.
Yes. Yes, that's what you get for abusing people.
I
You're
only did it like 3 times.
You were murdering.
I can't move my mouse.
Yeah.
That's okay. Well, guess what? I'm coming back for more.
Yeah, well, I'll blast you before you can even do that.
I'm coming back for more.
Who's blasting people? No, 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 no,
Okay.
no, 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 no. Stay back. Stay back. I'm gonna blast you. I'm gonna blast you. Oh,
Of course, the game is full. We gotta switch servers, Landon.
1 second. Okay, no, we can't. Lol.
Wow. I only did it 2 times.
No, you were killing people over and over again.
Well, people just have to get used to that.
Well, I'm not going to because I've got a 1-shot weapon, so
I got a 3-shot weapon.
3-shot versus 1-shot. Which would win?
3-shot. Cause you don't know how to aim. No offense, but
I know how to aim. It's just my laptop breaks. So.
Same server. This guy's standing right next to me.
Murmur him then.
Don't. Wow. He kicked. Banned still.
He kicked you?
He kicked me again. Wow.
Did he ban you?
Banned still. He said banned still. Wow. This guy is mad. I'm just gonna keep coming. This is what he gets.
And keep murmuring him.
This is what you get for kicking me. Nice. Don't kick. Wow, he says he's a police officer.
Say lol, you nub. Say, if you're a police officer, buy me a ton of Robux.
Whoa.
Into my exhibitionist.
Wow, he kicked. Wow, this is actually sad. This guy is. I'm gonna keep coming. This guy's.
Can we just find a different server, please?
No, this guy's gonna get payback. What I gotta do is. Dang, it's full. Okay. Well. Guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!